everyone. Take a multiple prong pin and then add a rubber band to the base of the hair. Pull the pin upwards as such. Now make 3 sections out of the remaining hair and then add a rubber band to the middle of each of these 3 sections. Pull the hair in on itself and then join it all together. As for the top, add a rubber band to it and then fold it inwards using a bobby pin. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair and then roll the hair in on itself as such. However, do this from the side. Comb the rest of the hair into place, roll it up through the side as such, fold it in, and then add clips to the side. Add about 3 clips on the side to make it look all the more better. Next, we'll start off by taking this rose-shaped decorative clip. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, however, make it in the bun towards the last round of the rubber band. Now, make a loosened section in the middle of the hair and then roll this bun inwards. Add a decorative clip on the top of this. Now start off by tying a ponytail, roll the ponytail in on itself, tighten it and then cover up the gaps. Divide the hair into 2 parts and then make 2 braids out of this. Taking the left side, fold it upwards and then clip it up towards the left. Now taking the right side, roll up the right side braid and then pin it up towards the right side. Now tie a ponytail with the hair, roll it upwards, bend it and then tie a rubber band to the base of the hair. Tie another rubber band to the middle section, roll the hair in on itself and then wrap it up around the hair. Add your decorative clip to the top of this. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then clip it upwards. Take a section from the middle of the hair and then clip it up into this multi-level clip. Now take a section from the left side, twist it and insert it into the right side of the clip. Do the same with the right side, however with the left side of the clip. As for the top, insert it using a multiple pronged clip. Next, take this decorative clip and then tie a ponytail out of the hair, roll up the ponytail and then add your clip on top of this. Next, take multiple hair twines as such with different decorations. Insert one of it into a ponytail that you have created out of the hair, make it a high ponytail. Twist this ponytail around the hair twine, add a rubber band to the base and then roll it up into a bun. Add your decorative piece to the side. Next, start off by gathering the hair together, then wrap up the hair around the finger as such. Adjust it as need be and then add this twisted clip onto the hair as such. Insert it into place. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair and then at the back, add this multi-level clip to it. Divide the ponytail into 3 sections, twist up each of these 3 sections and then insert it into the different levels of the clip that you have attached to the hair. As for the top, add a rubber band to it, fasten it in place using some bobby pins. Take a section of the top of the hair, add a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Pull the first section through the second after twisting the second section. Now, add a decorative clip on top of this. Next, we will start off by taking a section of the middle section of the hair. Add a multi-level clip to it as such. Now, take a middle section of the hair from the bottom, twist it, insert it in the middle section of the clip. Now, take a section from the left side, insert it into the right side of the clip, and do the same on the other side. Use a multiple pronged clip in order to fasten it in place. Next, we will start off by taking this retractable clip, tie a ponytail out of the hair, twist it up, make a bun out of it, and then add your foldable clip to it around it. Next, we'll be taking this bun rubber band that makes it look like it's made out of hair. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then afterwards wrap the hair around it, add a rubber band around it, take the excess hair and then fasten it in place using a rubber band. Thank you for watching.